beauties, it's me Edie, and I am here with May's Boxy Charm unboxing, and here's the box. So let's just jump into it. I'm going to do my best for my voice to stay present, but as you can hear, it's already roughing up. So here we go for the May box. I'm doing a Boxy unboxing, and for this month, the hashtag is Super Bloom. I believe the first thing is from Skin Inc. Serum Glow Filter. Glow up with the world's first skincare makeup serum, Glow Filter. Blending beauty and technology in one bottle, this clever concoction is formulated with rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Inc's top 2 best-selling serums. Give yourself a filter in real life. It's perfect for day use and is personalized to your skin tone using light reflective technology that enables external light to bounce off your skin, creating a glowy, pearlized finish and reduce appearances of pores and red skin tones. Well, this is up my alley. Ooh, and it's in a pretty like rose gold bottle, and the little beads in the formula are pink. I like the lid. The lid's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna rub it in. Doesn't have an odor. So this retails for $50. It's a Serum Glow Filter. The next thing on our list is from Farmacy, Honeymoon Glow Body 12% AHA BHA Resurfacing Body Serum. Body hydrating and resurfacing serum that instantly softens rough skin and eliminates bumps with AHAs and BHAs, leaving skin remarkably smooth with a lit from within glow. It says to apply to clean skin, use nightly 2 to 3 times a week, may build up to more frequent uses. Slight tingling may be experienced. Do not use on face. Avoid application directly after shaving. So this retails for $40. The next thing we have is from Ciate, London. Now, I know this is a brand that I really love. This is Dewy Blush. Dewy Blush is a next-gen gel balm tint blush that is great, that is set to shake up and refresh your beauty routine. Gone are the days of chalky powder blushes. With an ultra lightweight finish, Dewy Blush leaves you a subtle hint of color. And they have to be they are on the right track, because I actually just started using a cream blusher, the one that we got a couple boxes ago. So this one, ooh, that's way too much. Way too much. That looks like it's gonna be too dark for me. Let's try it. Oh, it actually looks really, it just like gives me a nice tan. Hello. I like that. I will try that on my little rosy cheeks. This retails for $22. I don't know how to say this, but I've never heard of this. Kosmetik, maybe? Creamy liquid velvet lipstick. My self-explanatory, right? Oh my gosh, it is such a pretty color. I have very red lips, so I can't try it on my lips. This is like right off my shade of red that I love. This is like a plum color. what is it? Call it bubbly. And this retails for $22. Then we have from Basic Beauty an eyeshadow primer. This is an eyelid primer base formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look up to 12 hours. And here that is. Let's see if it's tinted. Yes, it's tinted. But it's like it whitens down. So that is Basic Beauty. And that retails for $18. So for the content creators that get the boxes, we were given refreshments. We don't make bathroom essentials. We make self-care superstars. How it works. You can, this is one of those, like, you can subscribe to it and you can schedule when you want it to end or to start, and you can skip and stop, pause. So let's see what this razor kit looks like. Oh, look at this. I love the razor that it has a grip. It comes with 2 heads, and I think this is something to put it on the wall with. Oh yeah, it is. It's a command strip for the wall. It's a magnetic wall mount. The sleek mount sticks to any surface and connects magnetically to your handle for an inverted drip dry. That's so cool. And it tells you how to install it. And I'll just show you the razor right fast. It's the razor. Anyway. It feels good. Feels really good, actually. So that is the end of this Boxy Charm. Remember that it is super blue. I have a code that you can follow to get your first box. Look in the description, and I will give all the description of these products in case you want to check those out. Thank you for watching, and hopefully soon my voice will be back to normal. Remember, be your own beautiful. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you come back. Click that little notification so you'll know when I'm on.